Hey guys, what's up? This is Theo here, and welcome back to Lesson 9 here on Free Code Camp Responsive Web Design Certification, Applied Visual Design, and today we are starting with modifying the fill mode of an animation. So, notice how the animation resets after 500 milliseconds has passed, causing the button to revert back to the original color. You want the button to stay highlighted. This can be done by setting the animation fill mode property to forwards. The animation fill mode specifies the style applied to an element when the animation is finished. You can set it like so. So here's the style rule, and this is the value, forwards. So what we want to do is write another property here called animation fill mode. I want to say forwards, which just means keep it at that, right? So now we see that it does stay. Good to go. Let's go ahead and run that. Number 2, create movement using CSS animation. So here's a simple keyframe, and 0 to 100. We're seeing the different transition. So add a horizontal motion to the div animation. So using the left offset property, added the keyframes rule, so rainbow starts at 0 pixels. Okay, moves 25 pixels at 50%. And we'll say 0%. We'll say moves 25 pixels at 50%. 25 pixels. And ends at negative 25 pixels. Oh, it starts at 0. Didn't we already do this? It's weird. Oh, sorry, using the left. Let me just go ahead and reset that. So basically we want to start at 0 pixels. Then we want to go left 25 pixels. Cool. And then ends at negative 25 pixels. So we'll say left negative 25 pixels so we can sort of see what happens, right? So it just moves back into place. All right, cool. Let's go ahead and run our test. Good to go. Cool. Number 3, create visual direction by fading an element from left to right. So target the element with the ID of ball. Okay. And we're going to add opacity. And then an add opacity property set to 0.1. Okay, so halfway through this animation, we're going to say 0.1. So we can sort of see it fades out. Okay, good to go. Number 4, animate elements continually using an infinite animation count. So here's another rule, animation iteration count, right? And we can set that to an integer. All right, so basically what we're going to do is, looks like, is it already here? We want to change this to infinite. So now we can sort of see it just keeps going back and forth, back and forth. All right, good to go. And let me just confirm real quick. So we're on 1, 2, 3, 4, one more, 5. Make a CSS heartbeat. That's kind of cool. So you can read all about this, but the animation iteration count property for heart. Okay, so we're going to say animation iteration count. We're going to say infinite. So it's going to keep it going, right? And property for the back class should also be infinite. So we're going to say animation iteration count is infinite. So we can sort of see it does this indefinitely. All right, guys. So that's it for this one. In lesson 10, we'll start here with animating elements at variable rates. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like always, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Check out the links in the description if you're interested in learning React, JavaScript. Great course on Udemy. I do get a cut if you want to support the channel. As always, thanks for watching, and have a great day. Take care.